Have you ever caught yourself daydreaming about just hitting reset, finding a place where life feels easier, calmer, safer for you and your family? I know I have, more times than I can count. Between stress, the constant hustle, and the very real weight of systemic challenges, sometimes staying put just doesn't feel like an option anymore. If you're Black and dreaming of a softer, freer life somewhere new, this is where to start. Let's look at the places where Black families are building peaceful, fulfilling lives abroad and not just surviving, but thriving. Okay, first, why am I even considering moving abroad? For me, it's not just a dream to travel. I'm a homeschool mom, a CPA, and an online entrepreneur. And honestly, this journey started because I wanted mornings that didn't feel rushed and days where I could breathe without constant pressure. In the US, there is this exhausting treadmill of microaggressions, code switching, and trying to survive the political and social climate. I'm sure some of you can relate. This move isn't about running away, it's about moving towards a life that actually feels good. Everyone's ideal abroad life looks different. For me, it's safety, a relaxed pace, affordable healthcare, homeschooling options, and a place where my family feels like we belong. Here's what I really looked at when thinking about starting fresh in a new country: safety, especially for Black families, internet and time zones for work, healthcare quality and cost, the visa process, racism, and the overall quality of life. Ask yourself, what do you really need to feel safe, supported, and free? Before we jump into the countries, make sure to stick around until the end. I've got a free guide that will help you take the next steps in your moving abroad journey. Now let's jump into the countries. First up is Brazil. Beautiful, vibrant, with the largest Black population outside of Africa. Afro-Brazilian culture is alive everywhere. Music, food, festivals. This country can feel like a home away from home. Just know that you'll need to learn Portuguese to truly thrive, and navigating the systems there can take time. Safety really depends on the area, so doing your homework is key. Still, the deep cultural connection makes Brazil feel like a place where you don't have to explain your existence, you just get to live it. If you're finding this video helpful so far, please subscribe. I'm here to help you figure out how to move abroad and actually enjoy it and not just survive it. Barbados is next. Barbados can feel like a dream. English speaking, ocean 5 minutes away, and a vibe that just gets you. They have an 11-month remote work visa that's pretty easy to get. The community is tight-knit, crime is low, and there's a real sense of you belonging here. But keep in mind, the cost of living is on the high side compared to some of the other countries on this list, and island life can feel small after a while. Still, if you want ease, safety, and sunshine, Barbados might be your place. Costa Rica is all about pura vida, that mindset of living slow, appreciating the moment, and not sweating the small stuff. Costa Rica is great for homeschooling families with affordable healthcare and a growing Black expat community. Spanish is really helpful, but in tourist spots, English works too. Infrastructure can be spotty outside cities, and bureaucracy can be slow, but if you want a peaceful, nature-filled life, Costa Rica has got a lot to offer. Panama City is like Latin America meets Miami. Fast-paced, yet surprisingly organized. This is the country I'm currently looking at the most for my own family. It checks so many of our boxes: US dollar currency, great internet, homeschool-friendly laws, and a time zone close to home. Visa options like the Friendly Nations visa make it doable. Racism does exist, but it's often more subtle than what we're used to in the United States. Panama's perfect for remote workers and entrepreneurs who want structure plus nature. Next up is Portugal. More and more people are looking at Portugal, and honestly, it makes sense. It's safe, has strong healthcare, and a relaxed European vibe with gorgeous coasts. Visa options include the D7 and the digital nomad visas. Knowing some Portuguese really helps, and any racism that you may encounter is usually subtle. Public schools vary, so many families go international or they homeschool. It's a nice balance of charm and convenience. Mexico isn't just for spring break. It has a thriving Black expat community in places like Merida. It also has a low cost of living, good health care, and easy flights to the US. Knowing Spanish opens doors, and also corruption can be an issue in some regions, so it's good to stay informed and be aware. But many Black expats say that they feel safer here than in many parts of the US. If you want culture, community, and affordability, Mexico is worth considering. So here's what I really want you to walk away with. Moving abroad isn't just about changing where you live. It's about creating a life that feels lighter, safer, and more aligned with your values. Now, here are your next steps if this is on your heart. I'll list them here on the screen, and you can feel free to pause and screenshot this if you want to refer back to it later. Number 1, get clear on your non-negotiables. What do you need to feel safe, grounded, and free? Write those down. Number 2, start researching places that align. I shared 6 that you can start with: Brazil, Barbados, Costa Rica, Panama, Portugal, and Mexico. Use these as a starting point, not a checklist. Number 3, join expat groups. Find people living in the places you're curious about. Ask them real questions. Don't just go by headlines, go by lived experiences. Number 4, don't rush. Take your time. If you can, visit before you move. Feel it out. You deserve to live somewhere that feels like a fit, not a fallback. And number 5, think long term. Look into visa options, education, especially if you're homeschooling like I am, healthcare, and how you'll earn money abroad. And if you're thinking about how to make earning money abroad easier, my guide, Leave and Earn, walks you through simple, no burnout ways to start earning online while you plan your move. You can grab it in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my real tips on leaving the US, earning remotely, and creating a life that actually feels good. And remember that free guide I mentioned earlier? It's packed with 15 remote job ideas you can do from abroad. You'll find the link in the description along with my related blog post. Take care and talk to you soon.